In today's video, I will show you how to create rolling text in CapCut on PC. Go to Text menu and bring default text to timeline. Insert your desired text. Extend text layer duration to cover desired rolling duration. Move playhead to the first frame and go to right side. Scroll down to position and make keyframe. Move playhead to the end of layer or around the end and make another keyframe. Click on the back arrow to move the first keyframe. Adjust X position to center text. Move the last keyframe and adjust text position upwards. Move playhead to where you want to duplicate text. Select text layer and duplicate it. Adjust position of duplicate text layer to ensure continuity in rolling effect. If the rolling speed is too fast, zoom out of the timeline and increase duration of text layer to slow down rolling speed. Adjust keyframe to control speed of rolling text. If you have more text to add, repeat process by copying and pasting text layer and adjusting animation speed accordingly.